I've got ELEPHONE P8000 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down and pick security, which is under personal, and here you'll see the tab named unknown sources. So if you would like to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, you should tap on this switcher. Now you've got the notification that your phone and personal data are more valuable to attack by apps from unknown sources. You agree that you are solely responsible for any damage to your phone on loss of data that might result from using these apps. So if you are aware of this fact, click on OK. And now it's active, so from now on you will be able to install apps from unknown sources. If anytime you would like to disable this feature, if you would like to block it one more time to block all unknown sources, simply click on the same icon as in the beginning. So that's it. This is how you can allow unknown sources and then how you can switch it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.